Choosing a cheap garbage disposal unit is kind of like picking out a cheap pair of shoes. At first, they might seem fine. You might like them. But you might realize that over time, it might not be the right fit for your lifestyle. And just like a cheap pair of shoes, they may lead to foot problems. Your wrong choice in garbage disposal can create a series of issues for not only your kitchen, but also for your wallet. For example, a cheap garbage disposal unit with a limited capacity can lead to frequent jams and clogs. This will disrupt the functionality of your kitchen routine. Cheap garbage disposals, they also lack adequate sound insulation, causing your kitchen to turn into a downtown rave every time you use the disposal. And worst of all, if you opt for a cheap disposal, you're going to get a shorter warranty and a poor build quality that won't last as long as you'd like. Fortunately, there's a key to avoiding these problems, and it starts by making an informed choice about the horsepower. The horsepower of the motor is critical. The half is going to be your basic option, and this can handle your basic food scrap and daily needs. One step up from that is going to be the 3/4 horsepower. This is going to perform all the tasks of your half, except you're going to get more efficiency and with a little less noise. And finally, for those who want a premium option, you will want to move to the 1 horsepower. This is going to have longer warranties, thicker sound insulation, sturdier construction, and stainless steel components. This is also going to have potential multiple grinding stages and make for a longer and better use of your disposal. The key to take into consideration is your family size. What size should we get? How often do you cook? What food do you throw into your disposal? And that's going to help determine the best situation for your needs. For maintenance, I suggest that you first empty your plate into the wastebasket and then take the remaining food scraps and rinse it off in the sink. This simple practice can prevent the clogs and extend the life of your unit. Regular cleaning can also be essential, and this will help with products such as Bio 1, which is a safe and natural bacteria, or a mixture of vinegar, baking soda, and hot water. This is going to help keep your disposal in top condition. So there you have it. Don't let a poor choice in garbage disposal selection disrupt the harmony of your kitchen. Contact us today for expert advice and installation services. This will be tailored to your specific needs. And before you go, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video to help others to make a smart choice for their kitchen. Thanks for watching.